Parenthood is a series of small, beautiful moments, but we know the mental load behind them can feel heavy. At the Wellness Projection Lab, we believe your focus should be on the memories, not the paperwork.
That's why your dashboard is designed to be a quiet space for your thoughts. Everything is settled for now. No tasks, no rushes, just a clear view of your family's well-being.
When you're ready, you can gently check in on the little ones, whether it's logging a quick update for the newborn or checking a shopping list. We keep everything organized and safe.
Think of it as a helping hand that never sleeps, so you can. Your data is protected by HIPAA-Grade Security because your family's privacy is as important to us as it is to you.
Wellness isn't just a goal, it's a feeling of being supported. Welcome to a simpler way to care.